Hi, today I'm with me LENOVO Tab P11 Plus and I'll show you how to edit notification panel on this device. So if you wanna just add some icons or remove some of these options from the notification panel shortcuts or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. And now, for example, to remove some of them, we should just hold it and drag it to this down section. Hold and drag it. Just to add some options from here, we just should by the same way hold and drag it to this up section. And just to change their positions, we should hold and drag by the same way these icons. Then just tap here to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.